Alright, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be making something super quick and easy. We're going to be making a miniature blowgun out of pretty much just office supplies. So for this project you are going to need a fairly small piece of rope, or you could even use a shoelace. You're going to need a standard ballpoint pen with kind of a tube handle. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a pair of pliers. You're going to need a lighter. And you're going to need some very small nails or thumbtacks. As always, check in the description below. I've got links to all the tools and supplies you could need for this project. So once you have all those supplies, you can get started. Take your pliers and you just take the top and the bottom off your pen. So they usually just come right out. So you can see they just pull right out. You're gonna get this little tube. So this is gonna be the tube of your blowgun. So once you have this tube, next you're going to take your rope. So what you're gonna do with your rope is you're gonna cut off a section, probably about 1 inch long. Doesn't have to be exact, so you're just going to cut that off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to remove the outer sheath, whether this is a shoelace or a string, it really doesn't matter, it's the same thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the little inside piece of rope, and you're going to take your nail, and you're just going to put it right inside the rope like that, so it's just barely inside. So once you stick it inside like that, you're going to take your lighter, and you're going to melt the end, and as it gets a little bit soft, you're going to grab it and pinch it on there. Okay, so once you got it formed around the nail, now you're going to just simply fray out the end of the rope. It's going to fray that all out so it's a nice fluffy plume. And so now you've got one of your little darts. So you can do this and you can make as many of these little darts as you want. But you're pretty much done now. So all you got to do is stick this guy in your tube, and you're ready to shoot this thing. So let's see how this works. Alright, well there you go. That's how you make a miniature blowgun out of some basic office supplies. You like this video? Check out my channel. I got all kinds of other videos and ideas. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.